actually wanted to try and make my costume and put in a little bit more effort. So I decided to be Doja Cat because I've always wanted to be Doja Cat, and I decided to make the cow outfit in her Move music video. It took us about a week to make. I had my housemate help me because he knows how to sew, and I don't know the first thing about making clothes, so he helped me with a lot of it. And we thought it was only gonna take one full day, but it took us all week, and he was literally sewing on the last bits of it right before we went to the club last night. So thank you, shout out to my housemate, I love you. All right, so I'm just gonna cut to me making the outfit. It's okay.
I'll build you up. I
don't know, you were just holding it up. So
you can put the other one on first.
With the Horcrux?
Okay, which side is the side that you like on those?
Cutting the seams. We got our parts, and now I'm cutting the seams. We made some adjustments with Sharpie because the shoulders are too tight, or the armpit part is too tight. And then we're just gonna go for it on the actual fabric.
Close together as I squirt it. He said, also there was the 911 dispatch reporting, and the dispatcher said this when the event happened.
It's your back.
Yeah, it is pretty loud.
Was possessed.
So if you want a more fitted shoulder, you actually fix it. Bitch, I'm gonna
We've made a lot of progress and enhanced our 𝐕𝐈𝐃 or 𝐕𝐈𝐃 relationship.
from YouTube video.
Alright, so for props, she has this pink milkshake in her music video. And so I just got this to-go cup. And then I got construction paper to make that prop. I got these space buns off of Amazon because I'm too lazy to actually put space buttons in my hair, and I feel like my hair is too thin for it to hold, so I just got these clip-on space buttons. And then I got her sunglasses, basically half sunglasses from Amazon. Yeah, that she wore in the music video.
You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out.
Look how lazy that job was. Like, it's not even straight, but I'm too lazy to fix it. Okay, so I just finished the rest of my makeup, and now I'm gonna show you guys the outfit. Oh wait, I forgot. I have to do these buttons first. So in the music video, she has like 2 front pieces that frame her face, and then she just has messy buttons.
Nobody else is true. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do.
My camera do this. Okay. Okay, so I just put them on. Hopefully that looks as close as to her hair as I can get, because obviously my hair is not short like it is in her music video, but this is fine. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys the outfit. This is the finished look. Now, this is what I meant when I said that my housemate was literally sewing this on right before the club, because the bell sleeves took a while, but everything else was pretty much done.
I'll see you next Halloween for my next soy adventure.
This, my vlog. Shit.